When Citizen releases a new limited edition Promaster, it's always worth taking notice, and today we're unboxing one of their latest editions. This is the Citizen EcoDrive Promaster Diver Limited Edition, featuring a bold 44mm case and a stunning structural ink dial. One of the first things that stands out is that dial. Rather than using traditional pigments, Citizen used structural ink technology to create its vibrant blue finish. The colour changes as it catches the light, giving the watch depth and a shimmer that is difficult to capture on camera, but trust me, it's even more impressive in person. The 44mm stainless steel case gives the watch plenty of wrist presence, while the unidirectional rotating bezel reinforces its purpose-built dive watch credentials. The large hands and bold hour markers are all generously filled with luminous material, making it extremely easy to read whether you're under the water or simply out after dark. Powering the watch is Citizen's renowned EcoDrive movement, one of the brand's biggest innovations. Using any natural or artificial light source, the watch continuously charges itself, meaning you'll never need to replace a battery. It's a feature that's made EcoDrive one of the most practical quartz technologies available today. Citizen have been producing watches since 1918 and has built a reputation for combining innovative technology with excellent reliability and value. The EcoDrive range perfectly reflects that philosophy, offering dependable performance while also reducing battery waste through light-powered technology. This Promaster is built to perform as well as it looks. The screw-down crown and the robust stainless steel construction help deliver 200 meters of water resistance, making it more than capable for swimming, snorkeling, or scuba diving. Another interesting feature is the grey strap. Rather than a traditional rubber strap, Citizen have chosen a plant-based material that offers excellent comfort and durability while supporting the brand's continued focus on sustainability. As the name suggests, this is also a limited edition model, adding an extra level of exclusivity for collectors and enthusiasts. It's always nice knowing you're wearing something that's not going to be around forever. Overall, this latest Citizen Promaster Diver Limited Edition offers a fantastic combination of distinctive design, innovative technology, and everyday practicality. Whether you're buying it for its impressive diving credentials, the unique structural ink dial, or its dependable EcoDrive movement, it's another strong addition to the Promaster collection. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.